Now let's go for the premium. 628, right? 628 times 150. $94,200 in peso. That's 5 million peso. And he charged $60 per hour. Damn, that's insane. Here, Ana Maria, $60. She already earns $60,000. So that's how much you can earn just by writing articles. You can charge up to $60 per hour. Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money using Chat GPT. In this video, we will be discussing several ways to monetize your content and skills using the powerful language model. Finally, you can also make money by doing writing gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content for a variety of writing projects, such as blog posts, articles, and even entire websites content. Now, if you go to Fiverr, you can see jobs here that about writing, right? There. And I will write SEO, optimize Amazon listings, a lot of writing. Okay. So let's go to writing, article, blog post. Let's just, yeah, since I mentioned articles, let's just select that one. All right, so for example, I will write high quality blog post for your article. Let's click that guy. And his package is 60, 110 to 150. And you can see he already made, this is not his actual sales because that's just how many seller or customers review he got, but that's not the actual, because not all your customer will give you a review. But let's do the math on that one. From the conservative number, 60 times 628, he already made $37,000, $37,680. Multiply that to peso, that's 2 million. This guy already made 2 million just by writing blog posts. Now, keep in mind that he's doing that manually. That's his actual skill. But imagine doing that with ChatGPT, then you can make that faster, easily, and even because right now he has 3 orders in queue. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can make a lot of articles in no time. Now let's go for the premium. 628, right? 628 times 150. $94,200 in peso. That's 5 million peso. That's how much money he's already making. Man, this guy's killing it. So you can see what I'm showing you here are the possibilities that you can make money online, and you can do that easier with the help of ChatGPT. Now for Upwork, as you can see, I search article writer. You can also select the writing category, and this guy here, I don't know what he does, but yeah, he does article and blog writing deliverables. So as you can see, he already earned a total of $40,000, and he charged $60 per hour. Damn, that's insane. Here, Ana Maria, $60. She already earns $60,000. So that's how much you can earn just by writing articles. You can charge up to $60 per hour, and that will be with the help of ChatGPT. This is possible for you already. Now, a lot of writers nowadays are threatened by ChatGPT, because yeah, it's taking their job, but basically you can use ChatGPT to your advantage to create more projects, to create more gigs, to improve your work, and yeah, to make more money by making a lot of, or finishing a lot of products, and helping you out, like making it fast. You know, with the writer's block, before you're struggling with a chat gpt, it can easily you can easily overcome that one. um, let's go back to chat gpt and I will show you again. So right here you'll say, write me a high quality article for 1000 words about spirituality and meditation, something like that. And there you go, ChatGPT is writing it for you. You can um, include, make it SEO friendly for, something like that, friendly for um, meditation keyword, and add hashtags, something like that, and then ChatGPT will rewrite that for you. So not only you have high quality article, you also have SEO optimized high quality article. So you can include that SEO part optimized in your gig, Fiverr gig, to give you an edge with the other competitor. So that's how ChatGPT is making it easy for everyone to make money. Now, these are my gigs. I created gigs. So you have to sign up for Fiverr and create your gigs. So in here you can see I will provide high quality SEO articles for your website and blogs, just like what I mentioned. Also, I write high converting product descriptions. So not only, yeah, just you're limited to articles, but you can do other stuff as well. That's for e-commerce. I write high engaging quality social media posts. So we will get into the part about making money using ChatGPT, doing social media marketing. So with writing gigs, you can also do the social media post. And other ideas is, yeah, here. This is the whole category for writing gigs that you can offer. And with the help of ChatGPT, it can save you time and make it possible for you. So that's it for now. We'll be making more videos again, how to make money, and I'm doing the detailed part of that as well. Again, if you have any more idea in how to make money using ChatGPT that's not covered in this video, please put them in the comments below and I'll try to make a video of them. And support my channel, help me reach my first 1000 subscribers by subscribing and sharing my video. And again, I place the link there to for you to sign up, where I can send you a detailed list of information, like where to find products that you can sell using affiliate marketing, be it with the AI niche, technology niche, all of that categories, and I'll send that to you. Just go ahead and click that link, sign up, so you will receive that cheat sheet. Okay, so thank you again, see you in the next video.